Scarcity is not real. Scarcity is a mirage. Scarcity is self-imposed and it's always man-made. It's always man-made. When you see an orange tree, it has multiple oranges on it, and each orange has multiple seeds, which means if one of these seeds falls to the ground, it's producing another tree. It just takes one seed to produce a tree, and we have multiple seeds. That means we have an infinite amount of oranges on this planet, and that's one fruit. Think about all the other fruits. We've never ran out of food on this planet. The planet has been in existence for millions of years. We've never run out of food, which means the universe is always expanding. It's an ever, not only is the universe so vast and big, it's getting bigger. And I think as humans, this is why we get depressed, because we feel very aligned when we are expanding, when we are growing, when we are doing the things that our system wants us to do. But when we're contracting, that's when we feel sad. I think an ant, does an ant get depressed? I don't think so, because it's very aware of its limits and accepts its limits, and but we don't accept limits. That's why whenever we're not getting the things that we want, we get sad, because we know what exists in us exists for us. The thing that we want is out there. And when it comes to food, I was doing some research on this, but we produce, I don't know, 15 million tons of food. I'm going to cite it. I'm not 100% sure the amount, but we produce, the average person needs about 2,000 to 3,000 calories every day. The amount of food that we produce is more than this. I think 4 times more than this. That means we can afford to feed every person 4 times, but a lot of people die of hunger. A lot of people are in poverty right now because of distribution. The problem is always distribution. The problem is not so much it doesn't exist for you, it's just that it exists, but you're having a challenge getting it. You're having a challenge getting aligned to it. So once you believe it doesn't exist, once the system or the man-made distribution problem, because it's a man-made distribution problem, it's a man-made, it's always, and it's two things. Not only is it a man-made problem, it's a self-imposed problem. So shout out to Kendrick Lamar, this song called F Your Ethnicity, which says the only limitations you ever have are those that you place upon yourself. So when you believe that it's not for you, of course it's not going to find you, it's impossible. But if you believe it's for you, and you hold that belief regardless of what's going on around you, because it's going to test you. It's going to test you in a million ways. It's going to test everything you have to see if you truly believe that it's for you. And majority of us, if not all of us, at some point get tired and just say it's not for us. But a few of us, a very tiny minority of us, never give up on that belief, and we hold on to it. To recap, we live in an ever expanding universe. The universe, have you ever seen a picture of the universe? It's pretty big and it's growing. That means it's almost infinite. We live on a planet where we have never run out of food. Never. We waste food. Abundance is everywhere around you. Scarcity is the mirage. Scarcity is something that's put in front of you to hide you from the abundance. There's always people like, oh, think abundantly, get an abundance mindset. Just stop thinking about scarcity. Stop thinking about fear. Stop thinking about these things, because fear, someone put it in us. It was, like I said, man-made or self-imposed. Either we put the fear in ourselves or someone around us put in us. But if we remove that fear and then we hold on to it, which is the hardest part, because there are going to be lots of times where the whole world is trying to gaslight you that scarcity is a thing. But if you can hold on to it, then abundance will find you. Scarcity is not real. It's a mirage. It's self-imposed. It's man-made.